Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. Today we're going to go over how to clean out a water system or your water for your molds. Okay, because you have your coolant takes up about 50 to 75% of your water or your coolant on your molds. Okay, so it's always very important to make sure that you blow all the water out of the molds when you take them out of the press and put them away. Plus, it's good to do like a preventative maintenance on them. So you got a little key thing on the side of the, or like a number pad on the side of most molds today. Have that on there, and if you do a preventative maintenance every month or every couple months or 6 months down the road, you pull that mold out, you take it to the shop, you run it through, like either you use like a, like an ultrasonic bath, or you run it through solvent through your lines or something like that. There's all kinds of different things out there. So you want to make sure that you don't get your lines all caked up and stuff to where you don't have no flow going through those lines. So the best thing to do is have a preventative maintenance system in place. Now I want to show you in this video different types of companies and the machines that they use. Now you can use all kinds of different machines. There's all kinds out there, but we don't use anything here at this company, but we do use ID additives for our purging compound stuff that we use. This is not a ploy to get them. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but this is just a couple different things I wanted to show you. There's King's. It's a Japanese company, I think it is, or Chinese. I'm not 100% sure, but they do it. There's all kinds of different companies out there to do it, but you can use your thermolators too, and use a thermolator and run like solvent through it, or like an acetone, something like that. You can run through it to actually break up all that calcium and build up in your molds, and it'll help out a lot. So follow along in this video. Inside of this video is another video, so I just want to show you guys what helps and what you can actually do to try to fix your water problems if you have them. Okay, so this is what calcium would look like in the water lines. This would be nice and cleaned out. This would be the buildup starting, and then this would be really rusted, all bad, not cleaned out at all. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this funny video of these ladies trying to sell these King water treatment things. So this is what you'd use to try to clean out your molds with. So watch, it's pretty funny. I shut the sound off because it's like, but they're going to show you how it cleans it out, how their system does it. So you can see the before and after cleaning. You can see all the corrosion in there. I could turn on the sound for you guys so you guys could hear the sound. It's funny, really. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to show you this system here. It's called the King's system. And what it does is it actually pumps hot water through there with air and stuff. You can add an additive to it if you wanted to. I mean, there's all kinds of different ones. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this video of ID additives. We use this company a lot for like purging compound packs that you put inside the barrel. But I wanted to show you guys this quick video of this, of how to clean out a system.
ID EcoPro 360 is a water-based, non-hazardous, ready-to-use chemical that, when used in conjunction with the EcoPro 360 cart, can be used to flush out rust, calcium, and limescale buildup within your cooling passages. This video will demonstrate, step by step, how to flush a mold from start to finish. This same process can be replicated for heat exchangers, portable chillers, thermolators, chill rolls, and most other auxiliary equipment running water through them. Please note, it is important that you do not add water to the chemical, as it will become diluted and no longer be effective. During operation, please use safety glasses and gloves. It is important and recommended to flush your mold to clear the lines of any water prior to flushing with EcoPro 360. The first 8 steps in this tutorial explain how to do this using the EcoPro 360 cart. However, you can use whatever existing equipment you have in your facility to clear the lines. Attach appropriate couplings to both the inlet and outlet main lines. Connect the inlet and outlet lines to their respective connections on your mold. Connect air supply to blow out air fitting. Turn valve on the top of the cart to blow out. Bypass the filter by turning the knob on top of the filter housing counterclockwise. It will be perpendicular to the housing. Place the filter out line in a bucket or other receptacle to collect water. Slowly turn air valve labeled blowout air until air starts to flush the water from your mold. Disconnect your air. Connect air supply to pump air. Direct flow through the filter by turning the knob on top of the filter housing clockwise to align with tubing. Turn the valve on top of the cart to pump. Insert Eco inlet tube into the drum containing the material. Connect filter out to the opposite side of the drum containing the material. Slowly turn the air valve labeled pump air until the pump starts pumping. It is recommended that you flush for a minimum of 1 hour, although times will vary based on the condition of your cooling passages. Once you're done flushing, pull the supply line labeled Eco Inlet from the drum containing the material and let the pump run for a few seconds to clear the lines. Then, connect your air supply to blow out air. Turn the valve on top of the cart to blow out and blow out any excess EcoPro 360 so that it returns to the tank. Please note, if you're flushing a mold with aluminum lines or a closed mold with brass inserts or any other type of non-ferrous metals and or rubber components, you'll need to back flush with water to break the chemical residue down. Be sure to blow out as much chemical as you can by bypassing the filter as described in step 4 and flush with water. You'll want to do this for a minimum of 10 minutes.
So this is one step you can try, guys. They're a very good company. I just want to show you there's all kinds of little units you can use. So see how small this little unit is? So they're using this to go into the mold, and they got their additives in here, whatever they're using, solvent or whatever they're using, okay? So I just wanted to let you guys see that. Alright, welcome back. Sorry, I lost my little tag. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Again, like I said, if you use like different types of stuff like solvent, stuff like that to run through your water lines, the best thing to do is if you have a brand new mold, make sure you blow all the water out of it completely. That'll make it last a lot longer, and you won't have corrosion build up inside your molds. What happens is if you set it on the floor with water in there, eventually it just rusts up, it builds up really bad, and it'll block all your lines on there, okay? So please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Please let me know if there's something you guys would like to see in the next upcoming videos. Please, it helps the channel out. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, peace.